Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you how to install your Gala node. Whether you're installing it for the first time or reinstalling it because of a node error, this is how you do it. I use Linux because I use a VPS, aka a virtual private server, and that's the cheapest option between Windows and Linux. As you can see, I have two nodes. One of them is offline. I can't figure out which node is offline, so I'm just going to reinstall on both VPSs. I use Vultr for my VPS, but all VPSs are pretty much the same. All you need to do is log in, go to the products page, and you'll see your cloud instance. If this is a new install, all you need to do is click into your cloud instance, but if this is a server reinstall, click on the drop-down menu and click Server Reinstall. Confirm that you want to reinstall your server, the checkmark yes, and then hit Reinstall Server. Once you click reinstalling server, just give it a few minutes and it'll reinstall. Once your status shows running, just go into your cloud instance and use your credentials to log in. I use PuTTY. Gala Games has a guide on how to set up your node and how to get PuTTY. To go there, just go to your settings, go to node info, and since I'm using Linux, go to see guide. To find PuTTY, just scroll down the page until you get to installing the Gala node. From there, there's a link to PuTTY, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in here, click the link to the actual web page. And from there, choose your install, whether 64 or 32. It's most likely 64, so it's a good guess to go with that. Log into PuTTY again, so open PuTTY, back to copying my IP address in, open, root as your admin, and your password, just right click and paste. To find the command to change your machine ID, just click on the link here, and it will bring you to the list of commands that you need. Copy paste the commands into PuTTY. Just select it. I use Control-C for copy. Go into PuTTY and right click to paste. Enter. The next one, copy, right click to paste. Enter. The next one, copy, right click to paste. Enter. So once you've done that, all you do is just reboot your Linux machine, copy paste sudo reboot, right click to paste. It will say PuTTY fatal error, but that's mainly because they lost contact with your server, which is just restarting. Just click OK, exit out of PuTTY, and then wait a minute to go back into PuTTY. Log into PuTTY again, so open PuTTY, back to copying my IP address in, open, root as your admin, and your password, just right click and paste. Go back to the install guide, and then scroll down to step 4, since 1 through 3 was just logging into PuTTY. From here, run the first script to update your Linux server. So right click to paste, enter. Once that's done, go to the next step to actually get your Gala node install. Right click, enter. Hit enter for yes. Let it do its thing. You'll then get an authorization link to paste into your browser. So all you have to do is just highlight with left click, and that will automatically copy it. So go into your browser, paste it in, hit confirm. You'll need to re-log in once again. Chimneys, always chimneys. Hit continue. Once you've logged in, just wait until it verifies your status. To select your work node, just click on Founders. If you have a Founders or Townstar or whatever other node you have, save, and then exit. And that's it. Installation finished. Hit enter for OK. Your Gala node is now up and running. To find out if Gala sees that your node is online, all you have to do is go back to your node info and hit refresh. So you're back here, just go back to node info and it'll show that one node is online. If you saw before, it showed that 0 nodes were offline before I hit the refresh, and at the start I started with 1. It turns out that the node that I did reinstall was the active node. So I'll just have to go to my other node and reinstall that one instead. If you found that this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you want to see anything else. Check out the link below for a tablet to keep your recovery phrase safe, and Ledger hardware wallet to keep your crypto offline.